Hi, I just wanted to show off this project I made using the Claude API with the Haiku LLM, but can also be switched to use Sonnet 3.5 for better performance. So what this project is it pretty much connects to a Next.js for Cell template. So for people that don't know how to code, they can just easily deploy a Next.js for Cell template and put in the URL here, put in their GitHub token, and then prompt the LLM to make changes to their template for them. So it gives you the flexibility of an entire website that's made completely out of code rather than no code tool. Um, and for no cost other than the token cost compared to what's available out there right now, which is WordPress, Squarespace, Wix, Webflow. All these things cost a lot of money, like monthly money, and this is essentially free other than the LLM tokens. And it's also fully customizable. So you can make a personal website, or you could grow it into something bigger. So it gives you flexibility to do both, and it allows you to work with any Next.js for Cell template. So without further ado, I will show you guys mine. I used a Vercel starter kit called the blog starter kit, and I made this blog. Took me like using this same technique with the LLM connected to the GitHub repository and just prompting each feature into it. So I prompted like the background color. I prompted this. This came as part of the template, which is nice. I prompted to add these little buttons, and then I prompted to have the articles look like this because it didn't originally look like this. And so, yeah, without further ado, I would just show you guys how it works. I already have my thing in there. You just put your GitHub repository name, you put your GitHub personal token, and then it's actually going to load all of the repository contents into the prompt. And for a bigger site, you obviously wouldn't want that maybe, but as prompt sizes are getting bigger and bigger, tokens costing less and less, it's nice to have because then if I ask a question about the repository, it can just answer the question without having to go into the repository and see. Um, but I can also give it tasks. And so I have this task I want to give it right now where I want to add a button right here that it connects to this chatbot actually. And that says, this is the chatbot that made this website. And so I have this pre-written prompt to save you guys time. It says, can you add a button to the header of the site called AI bot that codes, or how about AI bot that coded this website? And links to this URL. Cool. Please place the button in the top right of the screen, but still aligned horizontally with the title of the page rag.pro, but just in the top right instead of the top left like the title is. So you want to be really specific about this stuff because it can't see the screen. Hopefully I can add a multimodality pretty soon with this easily, I think. But it'd be very specific. So I kind of said like this area. So I'm hoping over here, hopefully it gets it right. And add a button that just connects to here. And I didn't say a style or anything, so we'll just see what it does. Also, if you want to use this for not a blog template, you can press show system prompt and you can edit the system prompt right here. And you can see that the repository contents are in there and then some prompting. And also you can switch the model to 3.5. This is currently Haiku. So yeah, you can do that for better performance if you want to do that. So let's see what it does. So yeah, this pretty much in the backend is kind of it's just LangGraph with the Anthropic API, with a React agent that thinks through the problem and then uses its tools to make actions, make decisions. And so I'll pull up my repository right now just to show you guys the changes that it made. Yeah, so right now, a new thing, added AI bot that coded this website button to header. And so the nice thing about the Vercel templates is that when a commit happens in the repository, the Vercel template automatically deploys. So now it's already building without me doing anything. And so for someone that doesn't know how to code, this is like the ultimate no code tool because first of all, technically, you can edit your website from your phone. And if you had a research agent on here, you can make blog posts from your phone and completely maintain a blog from your phone. And so here we go. AI bot that coded this website. Cool. Looks like a cool button. It matches the style. And it goes to a Hugging Face thing. Very cool. And so that's just one example of the things you can do with this. I could adjust it and keep prompting it to adjust it over and over. And yeah, and if I get an error, I can send the error back to the conversation, and then it can actually improve the error, fix the error, and get it going. And so yeah, this gives people the flexibility to code a website that costs nothing to host because it's the free version of Vercel, and it only costs very little to use these tokens for the Claude Haiku. And I haven't seen any options out there for a personal website that costs like nothing like this, and is also fully customizable. And so yeah, I'm excited for where this can go, and hopefully I can get some credits so I can offer the 3.5 for people and improve this app and give it a give it a better UI than Streamlit. But yeah, that's the app for now. Hope you guys like it, and thanks for watching.